please let me know. It's just allergies. I feel like complete dog. But, of course, it's not going to go with this shirt, but it's really... Would you guys like to see it buttoned up? Oh, great. Yeah, I'm gonna button it so I can show you guys. I also posted a video on my page, so you guys can see what it looks like on my page as well. I'm not talking about personal stuff on my page, Aaron, and I know you've been in here when I've said that. I think I buttoned that wrong. No, I didn't. I buttoned it right. But you guys can see. Actually, let me prop you guys up better. There you go. You guys can see it. It's really silky. I wish you guys could feel it. Like, it is so silky. I've said it on here, dear, several times, and you've been in here. But yeah, I like mine a little extra big. I am very fond of oversized stuff. Please do not mind Kyle snoring in the background. He's still sleeping. But yeah, I think it's really cute. If you want it, they have a flash sale going on right now and only lasts for one more day, so I would jump right on that deal. And how did I get into promoting? One of my old friends told me about it. We were frenemies at one point. And I thank her every day for this because it has helped out tremendously. But if you guys click the shop below, you guys will see it. It is so soft. I wish you guys could feel this right now. I can't stop petting myself. And it unbuttons really easy. It would look cute with jeans. Obviously, I don't own an actual pair of jeans. I am sweats mainly. Look how silky that is. Yep, sweats. That's all I wear 90% of the time. Can I request items? Yes. What kind of material? I don't know. To me, it feels like silk. Hold on, let's see if it says on here what kind of material it is. Red Hot Type, made in China. I don't know if it says it on here. It does not say. But it feels like silk to me, honestly. It just says Red Hot Type. Thank you. I appreciate that. Oh, polyester. I forgot there was an actual tag. I have this cute little, I don't know if you guys can see it. It has holes right here. You're welcome, dear. I really appreciate that. I do not feel good today. Yesterday and today I have not felt good, but allergy season's around. Obviously not with this shirt, but I know it's freaking horrible. But if you guys click the shop below, you guys will see this product. And I also have the 100 envelope saving challenge book. If you guys want to see that, just let me know. I will button it up again for the new people joining in. That was really easy to button. I like my long part of my sleeves. That's just me. You guys can see the material is great. I don't know why I said it like that. Great material. No, I think it's just allergies. It's about that time now. It's 69 over here, and it's going to be up in the high 70s at some point today. Thank you guys for the follows. But great material. Oh, and I can lift straight up. It's very stretchy. That's another thing I should add. Yes, I am. Very stretchy. Is there anything else you guys want to know about this? Should I try doing jumping jacks in it? It's good material. I wouldn't expect it to be this great. Soft. It's really soft. The sun is shining. Yes, there is other colors. I know there's white. I know there's white. Yes, it is warm. It's most definitely warm. I would not wear this in the heat you have now. Like, if it's in the 70s, I would not recommend wearing it because it is hot. Jumping jacks. It's very stretchy. Pose for the camera. Sorry. I had to. I do, but my air doesn't work. It's going good. Pose. Pose. Sorry. Who says you can't feel good and be funny at the same time? You know it. Pose. If you guys purchase something from my shop, as I always say, please let me know so I can thank you personally. Thank you. Thank you guys for the follows. No, I have another page. How is it with animal hair? Well, let's find out. Oreo! I need to love on you for a minute. Well, it's easy to take off. That's what you want to know. Thank you. You're my handsome boy. All right, you can go back to bed. I just needed you for a minute. Yeah, it's easy to come off. See, it wipes right off. He is obsessed with brooms. Oh, and you want to see the cutest part about him? He only has one black spot on him, and it's his ear right there. Come here, let me see your ear. I'm trying to show them. He has one black spot, so he's technically considered a calico. I have not even got dressed yet. Hey, for the people coming in, here's the new jacket. I feel like poo. Hi, handsome. I'm here. But it's very stretchy. Look how stretchy this is. Thank you. Thank you, I appreciate that. But if you guys purchase something from my shop below, please let me know. As I always say, I want to thank you personally. Yes, it is. Heat's got to go down. It's 76 in here? Fucking hyped up the damn heat. I'm about to be Mr. Krabs. Don't touch my motherfucking thermostat. It is. I don't know a Bobby. What? Okay. What are you doing, handsome man? You going to eat? But here's this, if you guys are interested. Do you like the box that my stuff came in? He's chewing on it. Yes, please scratch that instead of the couch. I did. Yep. Alright, for now I'm going to take this off because it's a little warm. Oh, young love, they have no fucking clue. Don't move in together. Anyway. I'm sorry. Guys, this is my business page, so I'd rather talk about business stuff right now, guys. Like, hi Oreo. I love you. What's my handsome man doing? Kisses. Thank you. Hi. If he wants to come in here, I only brought him on camera earlier to show someone if it's good with animal hair. Ow, that is my elbow. You have toys. Play with them. That hurts. My arm's already scarred up. Yeah. Excuse you, sir. Excuse you, sir. I'm still waiting to find out. Ew. If you guys would like to see, me too. If you guys would like to see anything in my shop, please let me know. No, he's sleeping. We didn't get to bed. I know, I need to get it fixed. You are so freaking cute. No, and you're biting my arm though. Ow! Hey, cutie. Hi, cutie. Who's a handsome boy? I live in Indiana. Yeah, it's what I'm sitting on right now. It's a, whoever says cats don't have sharp claws are very much lying. Can you stop kicking me? Thank you, sir. Oh, I know. Trust me. I know. Would I recommend going to the club with the sweater on? I don't think that's necessarily club material, but everybody has a different sense of style, so I wouldn't be able to necessarily say. You wanted to see the cutie? There you go. Ow! I didn't name it. It was the lady that lived here before me. No, TikTok is not how I'm affording this place. They asked me if I wanted to keep him, and I said yeah. Dude, I have enough scars. That hurts. Because they have 4 of their own. Do you mind, sir? Thanks. Thanks a latte. Set that right there. Come here. Cutie patootie. Oh, thank you. What? I'm trying to speak. Rude. What are you doing? Can I talk to him? I'm sorry, okay? You're a wiggle butt today. Okay, I'm scooting over. Are you comfortable? You're so fucking cute. But back on the promoting topic. If you guys are interested in any of the products below, please let me know. You're about to go down there with Dad so I can spray the couch down with Lysol. Ow! Yes, you are. Okay, you can continue biting me. I don't care. Ow. Me, one of my old friends told me about it. And you have to have 6,000 followers. One person did it with 5,000 followers, but other people said it didn't work that way. But if you guys click my shop below, you guys will see the products that I have. Because Kyle says I'm a germaphobe. I sprayed the whole ass bed down with Lysol last night. Ow. Mm-mm. I'm about to let you go play with your box. My place is not dirty. What are you... Huh? A box? Where? Oh, you mean the old lady that used to live here's old room that hasn't got the rest of her stuff out that she respectfully asked me not to touch her stuff? I'm not going to touch another person's stuff. So if you don't like it, that's your problem, not mine. As a matter of fact, bye. Bye. I'm not dealing with it. Yes, I do. Exactly. They always are gonna have something to say. I don't honestly care. Hi. Told y'all. Hi, handsome. Hello. Do you mind? What? Okay. Right now, I'm just going to remove the products that I have in my cart, and we'll just have a normal conversation. How about that? Let's stick you in there with Dad. You're in Illinois? What part? Illinois. Why did I say noise? Yeah, basically. You're about to go in there with Dad. You're not allowed to be in here when I spray you down with Lysol. I've been to Springfield. I used to live there. Come on, you're going with Dad. Here. I am in Indiana. Yup. Fucking not shutting damn cabinets. Shit drives me nuts. She would if she would apply the effort. Some call me a germaphobe. Some understand. I gotta fix it, dear. Yes. In my opinion, if you don't taste it when you spray it, you didn't spray enough. Where did I put the wipes? Okay. I said I'm not talking about Allie, so thanks. The next people that keep mentioning them, you're just gonna get blocked. I'm not gonna even say anything. I'm gonna block you. Not you, dear. No, they don't think I deserve it. No, I don't have food stamps. I pay you with everything that I have with cash. Mother Nature. Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just starting to clean. Would anyone else's old man get mad if you spray Lysol on the bed? Because mine did. No, I'm just very heavy foot. I'm looking for something. Where did my towels go? Just bought new ones. From Amazon. Ah, found them. These are my new rags. Oh wow, it had more than what I thought it had. Thank you. Yeah, hold on. Let me see. I think so. Reusable cleaning cloths. So yeah, they're reusable. Someone's house is getting raided in Terre Haute. Uh-oh. No, I don't live in Linton anymore. I live in TH. Yeah, I have the scanner thing on my phone too. Was I in Linton yesterday? Yes, I was. I don't think I was at the dollar store, dear. I was at Walmart, though. Me, whatever states have I been in? I was in Shelby, North Carolina. Indiana, obviously. Springfield. Danville. Decatur. A few. I don't like to stay in one spot for long. I like to move. Wait, who's from Terre Haute? I need friends. I'll cook for you. I'm desperate. Don't judge me. Thank you. I need to get dressed. Come the fuck on over. I'm bored. Now. I will cook dinner now, even though it's early morning. I'm not joking, guys. I really do need friends. Other than Kyle, he gets on my nerves. Lysol. Well, there's Kyle's old one. I thought I was hitting mine. Oh no, I was spraying Lysol on my drink. Does it taste like Lysol? Nope. Okay, Rotten Tomato, you're gonna go. Like, you don't have to be fucking rude. Yeah, that was a fun live last night. Y'all should join Kiki After Dark. I went through some of my adventurous stuff. I do not live in Illinois, but I am not far from Illinois. I'm about 30 minutes from Illinois, depending which direction. Like if you're heading towards Paris, Illinois, I'm about 30 minutes from there. Which I will be in Paris on Wednesday. I used to. You're not wrong. No, it's my other account, dear. It's the Kiki is back 229. No. And it's a fake account. Of course it is. Yeah. No, but I actually thought I had a friend. That's what I get for thinking. My feelings got hurt early on. I don't know, snap me and see if it goes through. I have a new snap. He's sleeping, which he is about to get up. He's not sleeping all day. Do it, girl. I'm telling you, I need some freaking friends. I'll add you back because I really do need friends. I'm not as bad in person. I can be a bitch at times, but who can't? Yeah, promoting products. I want to go back to dancing, but I don't think my body's going to be able to handle it. Ashley, message me after this live, dear. Thank you. Oh. As long as you're not allergic to cats. I found out my mom's boyfriend's allergic to cats. I'm allergic to long-haired cats because of the dandruff in them. No, I don't mind. It's around 800. That's what I'm not gonna give you the exact price, but it's around 800. Okay. My son, he getting ready to go to the vet to get fixed. Yep. 2. Well, move to Indiana, girl. Some places are cheaper. Yeah. He lived here before I even lived here. It's nice out today. And I'll probably still wear a hoodie. Let's see if Allie's sleeping. Yes, there is a deposit. She is still asleep. Go figures. It's an apartment. It is very beautiful. Probably, I gotta put more aloe on that. No, that ain't too bad. It's definitely not too bad. It feels like it's gonna rain though. Does anyone want to join my box and talk to me? Lonely. We are moving to a better house next month. Hopefully this house is damaged. I think you meant not damaged, honey. I don't think you want to move into a damaged house. Which part? Okay. It really does. Oh, thank you, dear. Oh, I asked if anyone wanted to join my box to talk to me. I kind of spaced what you just said for a second. Feels so good out. But I need to get dressed and stuff here in a little bit. Blush me. Ugh. I hate allergies. Thank you. Hello.
And Brendan, he's cooking cheesy eggs right now, and I'm sensitive off the ground.
Oh,
No.
Hold on.
Okay.
Okay, try that again. Much better. No, it's not. Okay, just drop down and come back up.
Okay. How do you do that?
I'll kick you just for your question.
Okay.
You did not tell me, dear. Congratulations. All right.
Is that better?
Hold on. Okay. Why is it doing that? Is anyone else hear that? Or is it just me?
I'm not sure.
I will just
He's thinking eggs and smells trying my stomach because I'm about 9 months pregnant now, almost.
Oof. Congratulations.
Thank you. This is my third one too. I've got a 5-year-old little girl and a 14-month-old son.
Oh wow.
So I just had my son not long ago.
Congratulations.
Thank you. With this one, I've had to go get 3 iron infusions, a liter of fluids.
Iron infusions are not fun.
Do what?
Iron infusions are
Yep.
not fun.
3, but I had to get 3 pints of iron.
Yeah, it's not fun.
Then I got badly dehydrated. I had to go back a couple of days ago because I had to get a liter of fluids.
I'm supposed to have an iron twice a week. I stopped going after they gave me a chemical burn.
You got a chemical burn in your veins from the iron infusions?
They didn't put my IV in right.
Oh, they didn't put it in right.
Nope, they burnt the shit out of it.
This one of these last times I got it in the top and like right there where the vein is between your pointer finger and your thumb.
What?
That's my most comfortable vein. I can't do it on top of my hands.
Honey, I don't get that.
And my elbows hurt bad my elbows hurt whenever I get stuck there.
I always get them like this.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I had to get stuck in my elbows when I was donating plasma before I got pregnant.
Nope, that could never be.
Hell, I was getting I got like $400 in just 2 weeks when I'm donating plasma. That was when I was living in South Carolina before we moved up here.
Oh, wow. Alright, well, I'm gonna get off here, honey. Just message me, okay?